Hi mga gala, this is Maestra Judy. Here are our learning kits and some of our products, the poster, flashcards, hardbound books from Amazon, children's books. We are going to City Times Square in Mandaue, just beside Park Mall. So here you can see that I'm arranging all the books, the flashcards. As you can see, the learning kits are at the bottom. So take note that I put limited quantity here mga higala. So if you want to grab the products here ahead of everyone, just head over to Capitano restaurant. And while you're there, you can have some coffee while you're studying. You can have some coffee or have some cold drinks. They also have pizzas. One of our favorite dish in Capitano is their lasagna, lumpia Shanghai, and the chorizo. Okay, so there are other delicious dishes offered in Capitano restaurant, so just try it out. So you guys, you can head over there. It's already there mga higala. You can touch the products, you can check out everything you like there. And they only accept cash and GCash for my products Mangala, just so you know. Don't worry about the parking. There are a lot of parking in City Times Square. They have an upcoming event, Treat or Trick, on October 30 and 31st. So it's a perfect time mga gala to also check my books around those times. I would like to give a shout out to the owner of Capitano, Mary and Guido. Daghang salamat for letting me display all my products at your restaurant. So I hope you will have a chance to check out Capitano and my books at Capitano restaurant. So daghang salamat mga gala for today, and I'll see you in the next video.